Hi, this is my 2025 beauty wrap. Yes po, hindi pa po tayo tapos. Marami pa po. I'll be featuring my most used powders naman. Anyway, let's start strong with Vice Cosmetics Baked Setting Powder. I have the shade Universal or Universal Fix. No explanation needed. Kitang-kita naman na most used ko siya. This is my second compact from them. Ayan, paubos na nga. Minsan ginagamit ko siya to set my face. Madali ang errands lang. Kailangan lang akong bilhin sa labas. But if full face makeup ako, ginagamit ko lang siya under my eyes because I have oily skin. Hindi kaya yung mga compact powder or anything like this. Gusto ng mukha ko, ang nagsiset sa kanya ay loose powder. Although it's a setting powder, minsan ginagamit ko rin siya as my finishing powder. After ng steps ng makeup ko, papatong ko to para lessen lang yung oiliness, yung shine, para magmukhang bagong apply yung makeup. Hindi ko na masyadong i-elaborate itong powder na to because again, matagal na tong nasa favorites ko. Next powder naman, sobrang recent ko lang to na-try. This is from Lovely Cosmetics Loose Setting Powder. I have the shade Translucent. What do I love about this powder is yung takip niya. Grabe, it can serve as a mirror. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko minsan kapag dadala ko siya. I don't know if you would agree with me. When it comes to the powder itself, first time kong makahawak ang ganong texture ng powder na sobrang smooth, sobrang velvet talaga. Pinong-pino. Bang iba sa mga powders na na-try at nahawakan ko before. This powder can really blur everything sa face mo. Like, everything. I was really surprised nga when I first used this actually. After kong gamitin siya, my face looks so smooth, blurred, and sobrang flawless. And last but not the least, this Absidy Complexion Blur Translucent Perfecting Powder. I have the shade Oat. This is what it looks like. When you swatch yung powder dito sa pan, you can already tell that this powder is a good product. Sobrang smooth nung texture ng product actually. Yung itsura niya sa face, it is blurring. It makes my skin, my face, so smooth. Smoother than ibang powder yung gamit ko. Kung napapanood nyo naman na yung mga makeup tutorials ko, yung mga get ready with me ko, I don't use this as my setting powder since hindi naman talaga siya setting powder. Nagamit ko lang siya under my eyes and as finishing powder. Tulad din ng paggamit ko sa Vice Cosmetics, after kong mag-spray, hydrating, fixing, or setting spray, or kahit pagkatapos na ng lahat ng steps ko, doon ko ito ilalagay. Actually, yung gamit ko for Absidy and Vice Cosmetics are almost the same. Hindi ko rin mawari kung ano ang difference silang dalawa. But I love the finish. I love them both. That's why they are here. That is all for my most used powders for 2025. See you on my next video naman featuring my most used blushes and contours. Bye!